Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Anger management. It has been described as deploying anger successfully. Anger is frequently a result of frustration or a feeling blocked or thwarted from something the subject feels is important. So the question is, why do I get so angry so easily? Events in your past, people who experience traumatic, frightening or stressful events sometimes develop post-traumatic stress disorder (PTSD), which can lead to anger outbursts. Substances such as drugs or alcohol, which makes some people act more aggressively than usual. Everyone has their own trigger for what makes them angry, but some common ones include situations in which we feel threatened or attacked, frustrated or powerless, like we are being invalidated or treated unfairly, like people are not respecting our feelings or possessions. All such circumstances cause stress. Now these are some anger management tips. Think before you speak. Once you are calm, express your concerns and get some exercise. Take a time out. Identify possible solutions. Stick with I statement. Means it's not bad to be selfish for yourself in some scenarios. So use I sentences and also think about yourself. Don't hold a grudge. Out humor to release tension. Now there are some anger treatment from Sunnah. Change your position, drink some water, do wuzu, make dua, recite A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim, and it will help to manage your stress.